Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a best courtroom scene, you can say.
Yes, or a climax scene
Yes.
from Deva Thirumangal. Okay, so it is a father and daughter climax scene. Okay, so a lot of you have requested, and one constant request we got from Satish. He requested so many times in Facebook, in Instagram, in
Yes.
comment here also in YouTube. So here it is for you, Satish. I really hope that you liked our reaction. So let's get started, and we have Chiyan Vikram sir here.
Yes, of
Okay,
course. He is
so
a
he is
multi-talented.
multi-talented and always like his acting skill is so much in unique level.
Right.
Okay, we all know
And
that.
it's a
He's
inspiration
the
for
pride.
everybody.
Yeah. So let's get started with today's video, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं देवा तिरुमंगल बेस्ट कोर्ट सीन.
Yes.
Okay.
Here is the petitioner Krishna. அவரை கிராஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் பண்ண உத்தரவு மாதிரி கேட்கிறேன். Proceed. உங்க பேர்?
Sena is also here.
என் பேர் கிருஷ்ணா.
Krishna.
அவள் அஞ்சு.
உங்களுக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லையா?
Wow, he's acting.
வேற ஏதாவது பிரச்சனையா? இங்க அப்போ இதுக்காக 86ல இருந்து 2005 வரைக்கும் மனநல காப்பகத்தில் இருந்தீங்க.
அம்மாவுக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லை. அம்மா சாப்பிட்டா.
அம்மாவுக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லையா இல்ல உங்களுக்கா?
அம்மா
உங்க அப்பா?
அப்பா போயிட்டார் சாமி கிட்ட.
Objection, my lord.
What is your objection?
இந்த கேஸ்க்கும் இந்த கேள்விக்கும் சம்மந்தம் இல்ல.
சம்மந்தம் இருக்கு மயிலாட். இவரை மனநல காப்பகத்தில் சேர்த்ததுக்கு காரணம் அம்மாவுக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லைனாலயோ அப்பா இருந்ததுனாலயோ இல்ல. 3 வயசுக்கு அப்புறம் கிருஷ்ணாவுக்கு மன வளர்ச்சி இல்லைன்னு தெரிஞ்ச உடனே பாத்துக்க முடியாம காப்பகத்துல சேர்க்கறாங்க. தட் இஸ் த ஃபேக்ட்.
Okay.
அதுக்கான எவிடன்ஸ் ஏற்கனவே கோர்ட்ல ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். which has been marked as exhibit number 1.
Objection overruled.
நிலா யார்?
பொண்ணு
என்ன வயசு?
5.
என்ன பண்றான்?
ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகிறேன்.
எந்த ஸ்கூல்? கிரீன் வேலி மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் ஸ்கூல். ஸ்கூல் பேரை சொல்றதுக்கு எப்படி திணறிய? நிலாவை எப்படி பார்த்துப்பேன்?
நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோ.
என்ன பார்த்துப்பேன்? நிலாவுக்கு 10 வயசு ஆகும். 15 வயசை தாண்டுவான். பெரிய மனுஷி ஆகும். Do you know what does that mean? அப்ப நிலா உன்னோட 10 வயசு அறிவுல பெரியவளா இருக்கும். அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? என்ன பண்ணுவேன்?
நான்
நீ
நான் வந்து
நீ வந்து
நிலா
நிலா
எனக்கு அந்த
மிலாட்
நிலா
இப்ப கிருஷ்ணாவோட மன வளர்ச்சி வயசு 6. That means mentally retarded. நிலாவுக்கு வயசு 5. அவன் 6 வயசு தாண்டும் போது அதே மனநிலையில இருக்க கிருஷ்ணாவால எப்படி நிலாவை பார்த்துக்க முடியும்? அதாவது
Objection, my lord.
What is your objection?
Learned Respondents Council. கேள்வி கேட்கிறேன்ற பேர்ல என் பெட்டிஷனரை த்ரெட்டன் பண்றாரு.
no my lord, I'm not threatening. I'm just trying to prove petitioner's inability to bring up a child.
Objection overruled.
நிலா நான் பார்த்துக்கோ. எனக்கு
எப்படி
நிலா வேணும்.
நிலா ஆசைப்பட்டதை உன்னால படிக்க வைக்க முடியுமா? அவளுக்கு ஒரு வாழ்க்கை அமைச்சு தர முடியுமா? அவ கனவை நனவாக்கி தர முடியுமா? புரியல இல்ல. நிலாவும் கூட இருந்து என்ன ஆக போறான்?
டாக்டர்.
எப்படி டாக்டர் ஆக்குவேன்? அவ படிச்ச ஸ்கூல் பேர் கூட உன்னால நினைவில் வைக்க முடியல. அந்த ஸ்கூல்ல சேர்க்கறதுக்கு உனக்கு 4 பேரோட உதவி தேவைப்படுது. நிலாவுக்கு நீ என்ன எதிர்காலத்தை தரப்போற?
நான் படிக்க வைப்பேன்.
எப்படி படிக்க வைப்ப?
எனக்கு நிலா
ஹோம்ஒர்க் வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியுமா? கணக்குல சந்தேகங்களை தீர்த்து முடியுமா? அறிவியலை பத்தி கெட்ட விளக்கம் தர முடியுமா?
நிலா வேணும்.
கிருஷ்ணா
He's acting, my goodness.
சரித்திரம் தெரியுமா உனக்கு?
கிட்ட சொல்லு.
இங்க பாரு, இங்க பாரு. நாளைக்கு நிலா வளர்ந்து உன் நிலைக்கு வந்த பிறகு சமுதாயத்துல சகஜமா பழகுற மாதிரி உன்னால சகஜமா பழக முடியுமா?
நிலா
உன் கூட பானுமதி இருந்து கஷ்டப்பட்ட மாதிரி நிலாவும் கஷ்டப்பட்டுமா? டாக்டர் வேணும், ஒரு நர்ஸ். நிலாவை ஒரு நர்ஸ் ஆக்க முடியுமா உன்னால?
இல்லை வேணும்
கிருஷ்ணா நிலாவும் கூட இருந்தா நீ அவளை பார்த்துக்க முடியாது. அவ தான் உன்னை பார்த்துக்கணும். மிலாட், குழந்தையோட லீகல் கார்டியன் என்னுடைய கட்சிக்காரர் ராஜேந்திரன் தான். செக்ஷன் நம்பர் 7 ஆஃப் கார்டியன் அண்ட் வார்ட்ஸ் ஆக்ட் படி அவர் கார்டியனை நியமிச்சதுக்கான உத்தரவை இந்த நீதிமன்றத்துக்கு சப்மிட் பண்றாங்க.
Baby is too much cute.
She has done a lot of films, this baby.
Yes, proceed. இந்த நீதிமன்றத்துக்கு முன்னாடி போடப்பட்ட வழக்கு habeas corpus.
Man.
அதாவது இல்லீகல் கஸ்டடியில இருந்த நிலாவை இந்த நீதிமன்றத்துக்கு முன்னாடி ஆஜர்படுத்த கோரி மனு செஞ்சிருக்காங்க. ஆனா நிலா இருக்கிறது அவங்க தாத்தா ரெஸ்பாண்டன்ட் ராஜேந்திரன் கூட. So where is the question of illegal custody நிலா? இந்த காரணத்துக்காக மட்டுமே இந்த மனு தள்ளுபடி செய்யப்பட்டது.
அங்கே
ராஜேந்திரனை லீகல் கார்டியனை அப்பாயிண்ட் பண்ண உத்தரவை ரத்து செய்ய மேல்முறையீடு செய்யறதுக்கு பதிலா இந்த ஏபிஎஸ் கார்பஸ் பெட்டிஷனை ஃபைல் செஞ்சு இந்த கோர்ட்டோட நேரத்தை வீணாக்கிட்டாங்க. Milord, I am referring to the Supreme Court judgment in SCC criminal page 480. Kunal Singh versus State of Punjab. Wherein it had been held that the minor's
so
welfare should be
cute.
kept in mind before deciding about the custody of the child. So my lord, கிருஷ்ணாவோட குழந்தை வளரல.
So cute.
God, man, it's heart touching.
My lord, கிருஷ்ணாவோட நிலா வளரல. எனக்கு ஆட்சேபனை இல்லை.
I have no objection. Wow.
Actually, he is also not able to express.
Yeah. He can take care of like anything better than any father.
This little kid,
Oh my God.
what a acting skills he is having.
ஜெயிச்சது நீங்களும் நானும் இல்லை, கிருஷ்ணாவோட அன்பு தான்.
முதல் முறையா தோத்ததுக்காக பெருமைப்படுறேன்.
But in real life, people don't have that much emotion. They don't care about this.
They just want to own the case somehow.
Somehow.
கிருஷ்ணா வந்தாச்சு
Wow. Wow. This is too good.
Too cute.
Goodness.
Oh God,
Where they went?
what happened?
He brought this child to her mother.
ये mom है.
Yes.
Okay. That time in the court they told no, how can you make her a doctor? So that's why I think. Oh my goodness. Given away his life.
அப்பனை பிடிக்கும் உடம்பு சரியில்லைன்னு சொல்ல கேட்டா கேட்பா 7 மணிக்கு எந்திரிச்ச உடனே ஒரு பெரிய தமிழில் பால் குடிப்பா 7 லிட்டர் குடிப்பா 8
He
Everything.
knows everything. How can he is not able to take care?
காரம் கொடுக்கணும் காரம் கொடுக்க 3 மணிக்கு ஸ்கூல்லேருந்து வீட்டுக்கு வந்துடுவா
Oh my God, I'm getting goosebumps.
விளையாடுவா நான்
என்ன பண்ணிட்டு வர கிருஷ்ணா?
நில
கிருஷ்ணா நிலாவும் கூட இருந்தா
That one only he is thinking.
அவதான் நான் பார்த்துக்கணும்.
That you cannot take care of her, she has
She
to
has
take
to
care
take
of
care
you.
of you.
நில எல்லாம் கிடைக்கணும் நான்
I can't make her doctor.
He's acting, my goodness, like
வருவா பெரிய டாக்டரா வருவா அதுக்கு பெரிய டாக்டர் வருவா கிருஷ்ணா வந்தாச்சு எல்லாம் வந்தாச்சு என்ன செஞ்சு
Wow.
தோசை
Seriously, Bikram sir nailed it.
like
And with
this
Bikram
one is
sir-
the most
Emotional
scene
you
we
can
have ever seen in on our channel. Right, and let's
this
talk
is-
about Vikram sir's acting first. Okay, because that is the most needed, I think. His acting is
Acting is superb.
brilliant.
You're not able to judge also that
Yeah,
he's
we cannot
not
judge.
unwell,
ha.
unwell, or he's having some
Yeah.
mental disease. You can
yes.
say.
We don't have the audacity also to judge this talent. Okay, so sorry that we are judging, but this is our reaction channel. That's why we are telling that he is phenomenal.
Outstanding.
Like, I think this movie has gotten some award. They should.
This should.
They
his
should.
acting
I
is,
don't know. We
too
don't know that.
good. We
Wow.
don't know. Yes.
Wow. I know people have requested so many times from so long, but yeah, somehow we
haven't,
missed, like
haven't
we are
given-
feeling regretted now that how can we miss this, like this is an iconic scene.
At least we should have seen this scene.
My goodness, we will be like doing more movie scenes reactions from this movie, and
Yes.
firstly we will be doing the trailer. I just want to see the trailer at least, like
Yes.
what is the full context of it, because obviously this is the very short context we
Yes,
saw,
a small part of
small
this
part
movie,
of the
but
movie.
yes, with this small part also
Like,
we are able to
wow.
figure out what
The
kind of
pain.
movie and what kind of pain and emotion this movie will have.
The relation, beautiful relation between the
Yes.
daughter and the dad, like if a dad is also unwell, he is not mentally stable, but still he knows each and everything, when she wakes up, when she had her
Milk,
meal,
yeah.
when she goes to school, everything,
she
then how
returns,
he cannot take care of her.
But yes, truly, if you say, it will be very tough.
It will be very
if,
tough,
if
and,
anybody is like that, when she is child, it's okay, but when she will after 7 or 8 9 10 years of age, it will be a bit tough.
Very
but
tough,
yes,
but that is the sad reality.
Yes.
But I don't think that the girl can live without her
yeah,
papa,
I don't
right?
know what will be the
She
next
is now sleeping.
next part in this movie.
We are very much eager to see, like,
Yes.
if she wakes up, what will be happened after
what
that,
will
because
her reaction.
and the child, she's a very famous child.
Wow, her
Her
acting,
acting.
superb.
5 years old.
Right.
Super
And
talented,
she
man,
is
like
gonna
clap.
she is gonna be next
Future
future
superstar.
star. I think so.
I think she is grown enough now, so
I think whatever the age during that time, plus you can do 7 or 10
yeah,
years,
yeah,
something
yeah.
like that.
Yes.
Yes, so she has done fabulous job here.
Everyone has acted
I
so
don't know
well.
about the full movie, but inside
Yeah.
that courtroom, her expression was so much emotional.
They both were started playing.
Yes.
Like whatever the decision is, we are communicating.
Yes.
That is very sweet. Yeah, it was
Great
full
scene.
on
Yes.
emotional. Like I cannot, tell how I was feeling.
Yes.
It was made beautifully, and the direction, the execution was like
Yes.
beyond the real level.
And also the music behind
Music.
that was having the emotional
Emotional
touch as well.
touch. I was getting goosebumps, I think, several times.
Yeah.
Several times I'm getting goosebumps.
And the best part is
During
that
the whole
we were able to understand whole
Whole
context
content,
as there were
because
subtitles
English
was there.
subtitles were there, so we are thankful. Okay,
Yes.
so that was brilliantly executed scene, and it is a 1 crore out of 10 from our side, right, Abhay? No question,
One
no
of the
doubt.
best emotional scene, you can say.
Ever. Yeah, so Vikram sir, you nailed it like anything. And what is the name of the
I was not expecting this kind of scene
I also
from the
didn't
Bikram
expect.
sir.
I didn't expect that.
We have
Okay,
told
so
right that Bikram sir in each and every movie he comes
He's very
up
versatile.
with different type of concept.
The Onion, that Aparichit
Yes.
split personality scene,
right.
that is also different. It is also different. Like he is full on talent, man.
Yeah, iMovie
He's
is
full on
something
talent.
different.
iMovie is different also.
Every
मतलब ये
movie.
क्या
I don't
था
know,
ये मतलब
I don't know how Bikram sir gets this kind of different concept movie.
कॉन्सेप्ट, और मतलब और एक मूवी था ना जहाँ पे बहुत हॉट लग रहे थे वो ब्लैक कलर का,
That only iMovie.
Oh, that is iMovie only, right?
That beginning part he was having great physique
great
and all.
physique and everything. Like he is superb. Okay, he is superb. No question about this. Okay, so
And Dhruva Nacharitam, that movie yet to
थोड़ा सा
release.
नच रही है, हाँ,
Yes.
ये टू रिलीज,
That
जहाँ पे
was-
हम
that
देखे
was-
थे
he was
ट्रेलर.
looking like Hollywood
actor,
Yes.
बाप रे
He's
बाप.
hot at that time. He was coming out of that private jet planes and all.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So this movie, this Deva Thirumangal, I don't know
Yes.
what does this mean, but it is like full on emotional, and we are feeling very heavy now.
Yeah.
Okay, but still we are feeling very happy to see this and talk much thing to you all, with you all. So yes, that is it for today's video.
Yes.
Now this is the time to read the comments.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Praveen Kumar, and he's commenting on Dasavataram detailed trailer reaction. He's commenting, butterfly effect, chaos theory, nationality, religious aspect, political aspect, medical play, involved business, terrorism, historical part. I missed many, all of in one movie. Kamal sir, one and only man to create this kind of story screenplay. Kamal sir, pride of world cinema.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. And
बाप रे,
this
कितना
movie
सारा.
having lot of concept. Wow.
Because 10 Avatar, 10
different
concepts, I think so.
okay, maybe.
Terrorism, historical, medical,
I think
what not,
I think
political.
all the concept will be one side and Kamal sir will be other side.
I don't know that.
That can happen.
That
right?
can happen,
Yes.
and yes, Kamal sir is a fabulous actor, not only in India's pride but also the world's pride. So
His
we can expect
acting
that
skill
thing.
is superb.
Superb.
Yes.
So yes, there is a movie in Bollywood. Okay, the movie name is Sadma. That was a iconic movie. My mother used to
Okay.
tell this in
I
Sridevi.
haven't
Sridevi
seen
was
it.
there. बहुत ओल्ड
not
मूवी
sure.
है.
Okay.
श्रीदेवी जी इज देयर, मतलब was there in this movie, and Kamal Hassan sir थे.
Okay.
So that movie was an icon. Okay, I have not seen that movie, but my mom used to tell a lot of things like that movie. Just do not watch this movie. Like she always tells me.
Then it
So-
will be a super movie.
हाँ, Sadma.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, from that time only I know that Kamal sir, and also we have seen a couple of Bollywood movies also
Yes.
from Kamal.
I remember
Hassan
from
sir.
Bollywood mostly that Chachi 420.
चाची 420 भी था, बहुत सारे हैं. तो yes, thank you so much Praveen for your information and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Gande Varva, and he is saying, guys, I am saying to react to Surya's Sir Singham movie trailer. I am requesting you since 1 week, please react to that. You reacted to it 24 movie trailer of him. So
No, not only 24 movie
no,
trailer. We have
yes,
done.
I think he's mentioning that last two we have reacted to 24
Oh,
movie.
okay.
Maybe we haven't checked that one. Yes, but in coming
Yes.
future we are going to
we'll
give
be
our
doing.
reaction.
We'll be doing Singham,
Yes.
right? We'll be doing. Okay, just stay tuned. Okay, for a few more days we'll be doing.
You
Yes.
told that you are waiting since 1 week, but people are still, they have requested 1 month back
1
also.
month, 2
Those
months
things
sometimes.
also we are filling up.
We are filling slowly. We are filling, but we will fill everything. Okay, so yes, definitely we'll be doing Gandhi Bhargav. Please stay tuned, and yes, thank you so much for your comment.
So the third and the last comment for today is from Vishal Thavre, and he is writing his comment on reaction on make joke of Tabla sir online.
Yeah, that
And
was
he's
hilarious.
saying- and he's saying, please react Harsh Beniwal new video, The Roommates. It's hilarious. Okay, sure.
Sure, we'll be doing that. Harsh Beniwal, yes, he is a very famous YouTuber,
Yes.
and we have seen a couple of Harsh Beniwal's video.
He's fabulous.
He's very fabulous, and he's a
YouTuber,
very
yes.
famous also, right? So yes, definitely we'll be doing, and thank you so much for your comments. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep
Yes.
watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.